Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2014 on a 64 plate VW Caddy Maxi with wheelchair access. It's an allied conversion, which means it's a 5-seater plus the wheelchair, but has the option of a 7-seat just by purchasing the additional third row rear seats. As you will see from this short video, the vehicle is in grade A condition, having covered just 28,000 miles from new, full main dealer service history and direct from Motability. It's the DSG 7-speed gearbox, so excellent on fuel economy. Road tax is a lot lower than the old 1.9s as well. It's a 1.6 diesel. Carry around about 25 WAVs in stock for wheelchair access vehicles. We've got manuals, autos, different colours. So if you're looking for a VW Caddy Maxi or even a Peugeot partner, we keep those in stock as well. Give us a call or have a look on our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. There's a couple of little variations on the 64 plate. Got a slightly different ramp compared to the slightly earlier ones. And this one's got an electric winch. So the yellow webbing there is the electric winch. Optional extra. Not many of them come with the winch, so if you are looking for that, I recommend that you get along fairly quickly. I think it's only one of maybe two that we've got in stock. The belts are in underneath the floor. Just a slightly different layout, but in the main the same kind of conversion. The rear parking sensors, alloy wheels, electric windows, air conditioning, everything you need in a wheelchair adapted vehicle. Got removable window tints, nearly all the vehicles that we have. So if you're a taxi driver and you don't need the privacy glass due to your council's requirements, let us know, we can remove that for you. One of the other major things with the 2014 onwards is ISOFIX seats in the back. The early ones don't come with it, so if you do require ISOFIX seating, it will need to be the 2014 onwards for you to have the ISOFIX. If you're looking for finance, we can do that through Motonovo. We do offer 0% as well. We'll lend you £6,000 or up to £6,000 over a maximum period of 3 years, interest free. The rest will need to be on a deposit. We will be paying your interest, so unfortunately we can't offer you a discount. So if you want to take us up on the 0%, you're more than welcome to. If you want to discuss anything that I've spoken about or anything on our website, give us a call, 01634 716 911. You can visit our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Or for taxis, if you want to view our taxi stock, just go direct to premiertaxisales.com and it will take you onto our stock page for the wheelchair access vehicles that are suitable for taxis. If you are a taxi driver, we can help you through and talk to your council, etc., etc. So if you're interested in any of our vehicles, give us a call. Thanks for watching.